Photography which started in 1840. Our collection starts from 1870s. It started as a pinhole camera, and look at it, 200 years. You have cell phones which are going to replace cameras. In 60s, when we used to go to Red Fort or Chandni Chowk, there were these photographers and they used to take photographs of people. These were the cameras where photograph was taken on paper. A paper negative was made and paper negative was re-photographed because there was no negative. That thing was processed inside this. This was the dark room, this was the camera, and the client, the customer, was given the picture then and there. So for people from the born digital generation, it becomes very important to understand where did photography come from. It came from cameras like these.
If you like this video, do like and share it. And if you want to see more such videos, do subscribe to DelhiPedia's YouTube channel.